In this video, I will show you how to subtract two-digit numbers using a model. What does that mean to subtract? Well, to subtract means to do what? Take away. When we look at our math problems, how do we even know that it is a subtraction problem? That's right, by the minus sign. So you see all our problems here have minus signs. Now, what about two-digit numbers? What does that mean to have a two-digit number? Well, two digits means two numbers right there. The 8 and the 6, we put them together to make a new number, 86. So when you have a two-digit number, that means you have a number in the tens place and the ones place. So all these problems have two digits. Tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place. Oh my goodness, say that 20 times fast. All right, now we're going to use a model for this strategy. Now, not the kind of model that likes fancy clothes, not that model. The word model here means by drawing a picture or using manipulatives, that means stuff or blocks to help you subtract. So let's get started. Now, before we get started, I need to get my manipulatives. For these problems, I am going to use tens and ones. Now, if you don't have tens and ones, guess what you can do? You can draw them. You can even use sticks about the same size as that, or maybe little rocks, something you might find that's as tiny as that to help you. Or guess what? Just draw it. So let's get started. Look at this first problem. 86 take away 25. So the first thing we have to do is, let's make 86. All right, I'm going to clear my workspace, and let's see. What do we need to make 86? I need tens. How many tens? That's right, 8 tens. So I'm going to count as I place them. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when we count those, we'll count those by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And then I need what? 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I have 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. All right, now we need to take away 25. So how do I take away 25? I need to take away 2 tens. So that's 10. I'll put it in my hand so you can see it. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So that's how I'm going to subtract. I'm taking it away. So I'll move that out of the way. And now we are going to count and see what's left. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 61. 61. So I'm going to write that answer. 86 minus 25 is 61. All right, let us clear our workspace for the next one. 79 minus 43. Now, if you think you can handle that on your own, go ahead and pause the video and do it on your own, and then just hit play once you have the answer. All right, to make 79, how many tens do we need? We'll need 7 tens. So count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and then I'm going to need 9 ones to make 79. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let me straighten them up a little bit. All right, now I have my 79. I need to do what? Take away 43. So how are we going to count 43? I need to take away 4 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. So now we've taken 43 away. Let's get rid of that and count how much we have left. We have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So 79 minus 43 is what? 36. All right, let us look at the next one. The next problem says 50 take away 37. So what do we need to do first? That's right, let's make 50. Now to make 50, what do we need? We need 5 tens. Let's count that. Count it with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. And how many ones do we need? No ones, 0 ones. I have my 50 right here. So now what I need to do is do what? Take away 37. But what do you notice? I don't have any ones. How do I take away 37? I can take away 10, 20, 30, but how do I make 7? That's right. There are 2 things we can do. I can either count 7 off of here and pretend I've taken that away and just count what's left, or I can regroup this and trade this 10 for what? 10 ones. So let me show you that real quick before we do anything else. So here's a 10, right? I'm going to count 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And if I put them together, nice and neat, look, it's the exact same thing. All right, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now I have 60. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 1 off. So now I have 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So I'm going to keep the ones here because I know I'm going to need that to take it away. So let's take away 37. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So now what I'm left with is 10, 11, 12, 13. Now, how are you going to do it without even using these ones? Let's try that. Let me show you that one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So same thing. Let's take away 37. 10, 20, 30. Since I can't take off ones, I'm just going to count it off this one. We're going to count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to pretend that's gone. And how many's left? There's 3 right there. So there's 10, 11, 12, 13. So either way, you can trade out a 10 for 10 ones. Or if you can count it on this, that's great as well. All right, so let me write the answer. 50 minus 37 is what? 13. All right, we're on to the last question. 92 minus 64. So what do we do first? That's right. Let's make 92. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, and 92. And now I have to take away 64. Oh my goodness, I only have 2 ones, but I need 4. So what can we do? Just like we did in this problem, we can regroup or trade out a 10 for 10 ones, or just cover them up to help us count. All right, let's do that now. I have 92 here. Let's take away 64. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I'm going to do 61, 62, 63, 64. So I'm going to block that with my finger. All right, count what's left. Let me put this down so I can use this hand. We have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. There's 28 left. Now let me show you the other way that we just did where we can regroup and trade out a 10 for some 1s. Now, if I'm trading this 10 for 10 1s, don't count those because that's a part of the problem. So I'm going to have this 10. I'm going to count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to trade this 10, which I took from here, for that. I'm going to put that there. Equal trade. All right, now we can do the problem again. Let's take away 64. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Let's count what's left. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Let me write that down. 92 minus 64 is what? 28. Well, you all did an awesome job following along with me. I hope you learned how to subtract two-digit numbers using a model. If you want to watch the video again, start it over and watch it again. You can even make your own problems and try this strategy out to help you subtract. If you like this video, hit like at the bottom and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more learning videos.